Welcome to the show, Marlin Steel CEO Drew Greenblatt. Great to have you, sir. Thanks so much for being here. As the CEO of a steel company, I want you to walk me through how this is going to work, because the liberal media wants us to think everything Trump does is terrible. Now, I'll tell you something. If Joe Biden had approved this merger, I would have been worried about it. But I know with President Trump approving it, you don't have a foreign company owning a U.S. company. You're going to have a foreign company investing in the United States. That's what he's going to end up getting out of this, which is going to make the industry stronger.
So the Nippon deal is going to have over $10 billion worth of cash coming from Japan, moving into America to improve factories that are very tired and old in America. And they're going to be putting in the greatest and latest state-of-the-art technology in these factories. Plus, they're going to be building a brand new factory. Plus, they're going to be hiring a lot of people. Sounds dang good to me. We're going to be building all of this in America. So I'm in favor of this transaction. I'm supportive that a lot of steel workers are going to get a lot of opportunities. Plus, all the American steel consumers, all the fabricators like Marlin, are going to have another vendor that we could use that's providing high quality steel. This is going to be good for America because we're going to have a great new factory in our country with tens of thousands of new workers in our country. This is good stuff. This is all about the growth agenda.
Let me just stop you for 1 second, because the liberal media is claiming the opposite of what you're saying. They're claiming the manufacturing jobs are not coming back. Listen.
Tariffs do not equal manufacturing jobs coming back to America.
And I don't want to live in a country that makes T-shirts. Well, I can buy them from somewhere else.
So they're complaining about the factories, clothing there. But remember when the Democrats wanted coal miners to learn how to code? Watch.
Anybody who can throw coal into a furnace can learn how to program, for God's sake.
The fastest growing job in the United States before COVID was solar power technician. The same people can do those jobs. They can be the people who go to work to make the solar panels.
Yeah, that didn't work out so well, but yet we're going to see manufacturing come back to steel plants.
I think we are about to see the reindustrialization of America. I'm so very optimistic about the future. I'm very confident that the policies being put into place right now are going to have huge impacts on the middle class. And what's going to happen is we're going to see a tremendous amount of growth moving forward. We have a whole series of things going in our direction. There's going to be massive tax cuts. We're going to have a situation where the overtime for our factory workers melts away. So they're going to be engaged. They're going to want to work more. We're going to have situations where all of a sudden, because this new big, beautiful bill, Americans are going to have an opportunity to reinvest back in their plants and get the greatest tools for our employees so that they can what Japan, they could what China, they could what Mexico.
And that's the thing,
we'll be
Drew.
building here in America.
It's a multi-pronged approach. It all comes together to bring the country forward. We really appreciate your time, Drew Greenblatt. Thank you.
Thank you.